Good morning. I'm Manny Viloria of TrulyRichPinoy.com, and today we're going to learn about the stock market investing flow. It begins here with you, and you first have to apply for a Call Financial account, Call or Citysec Online. There are application forms which you can get and download online and send these to Call Financial via courier. Before you send these to Call Financial, you may scan them and email them to Call Financial and ask if the papers are in order before you send them to the Pasig office of Call Financial. If you're in Metro Manila, you can arrange for them to pick up the documents from your office or from your home if it's in Metro Manila. If you're abroad, you will have to send these via courier. So before you spend money on courier services, you can scan and email it to them and ask them if everything is in order. If they say yes, then that's the only time you will send the original documents via courier. And it takes them around 3 days to review. And if they approve your application, they shall email you the funding instructions. The funding instructions will tell you what the BDO account number is. It's a special BDO account number which contains the Call Financial BDO account number, followed by a dash, followed by your assigned call account number. So to start, you have to deposit at least 5,000 pesos. And when you deposit it here after around 3 days, the amount of money that you deposit here will appear in your cash balance inside your Call Financial account. Now, some people are asking, what stocks should I buy? I highly recommend that you buy the information on which stocks to buy by subscribing to a monthly service. It's called the Truly Rich Club of Bo Sanchez. That's what I do. And in the monthly service, I'm able to access this table of stocks. He has around 8 to 10 stocks which he recommends that we buy because these represent the stocks of solid companies. And the table is easy to understand. There is a column for buy below price, meaning if the price of the stock is below the buy below price, then we buy it. There's also a column called the target selling price, meaning if the stock is at that selling price, then we sell the stock. Now, sometimes he will send email alerts to tell us right away that a certain stock is nearing or approaching the target selling price. And to get more information, you can go to trulyrichclubjoin.com-review.org. So we go here to letter A. Letter A. So we buy the recommended stocks. When we buy the recommended stocks, our cash balance in Call Financial will go down. However, our stocks balance will go up, depending on how many stocks we bought. And then we shall review the emailed sell alerts. If it is time to sell, then we sell the stocks that we have. Now, whenever you sell the stocks, you'll get a certain amount of cash. That cash will go back here to your cash balance in Call Financial. So your cash balance goes up. If it's not your time to sell, then we do not sell the stocks. Even if the price of the stock goes down, if we do not sell it, then we do not experience any actual loss. Remember that the stock price can go up or down over time. So after we either sell or not sell, if it's not your time to sell, we shall review our stock information monthly. So you can do this once a month, which is what I do. If there are stocks worth buying, then we buy stocks. And here the flow goes again. We buy stocks, stock balance goes up, and we check if there's anything that we should sell or not. If there are stocks not worth buying, meaning maybe the price of the stock is higher than the buy below price, then don't buy any stocks. And then we ask, would you like to withdraw your funds from Call Financial? Normally we do this when we are about to retire. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your funds, then you have to request for a check from Call Financial. Call Financial will process the check request, and then we can get the check at the Call Financial office. Or if we have a BDO account, we can request that they deposit it for us to our own BDO account. And when that happens, we retire. So if you don't want to withdraw funds yet, then do not request for a check. Keep your funds in your cash balance. Okay, you can add at least 2,000 pesos, 2,500 pesos monthly to the special BDO account. Every time you add at least 2,500 pesos monthly, which is what the kasambahays of Bo Sanchez do, your cash balance in Call Financial will go up. So that's a cycle, no? We make use of the information to find out which stocks to buy and when to sell. So the money keeps flowing here lang. From cash balance, we buy stocks, it goes to stocks balance. When we sell it, it goes back to our cash balance. So over time, if we do this right, our cash balance in Call Financial will go up until the point that when we're ready to retire, we can request for a check from Call Financial and get it ourselves or have it deposited. And that, in a nutshell, is the entire stock market investing flow. Please take note that one of the kasambahays of Bo Sanchez, she's 31 years old. She has over 700,000 pesos in her stock market account. She's been doing this for 6 years. And according to Bo Sanchez, by the time she hits the age or reaches the age of 60, she'll probably have around 20 million pesos. So it's time for us to prepare for our financial future. For more tips and guides, I'm Manny Viloria saying, invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Please visit trulyrichpinoy.com for your stock market investing tutorials. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.